Welcome to this week's edition of Obesity Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The World Health Organization has officially endorsed the use of GLP-1-based weight loss medications, including Wegovy and Ozempic. Backed by extensive clinical studies, these drugs are recognized for offering health benefits beyond weight loss. Patients have shown reduced risks of developing type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even Alzheimer's. The WHO emphasizes the need for global affordability and equitable access, particularly in lower-income regions where obesity rates are rising and healthcare disparities remain a challenge. Novo Nordisk is now closer to making obesity treatment more accessible. The FDA has accepted its filing for a 25 milligram oral formulation of semaglutide. If approved, it would become the first oral GLP-1 medication for obesity treatment. This marks a significant advancement as the oral route may improve patient adherence and attract those reluctant to pursue injectable therapies. The move could substantially expand the reach of anti-obesity pharmacotherapy. Pfizer has scaled back its obesity drug pipeline after discontinuing earlier candidates due to side effects. The pharmaceutical giant is now focusing on developing a new compound and exploring potential licensing partnerships to remain in the obesity therapeutics race. These efforts occur amid broader financial cutbacks, with Pfizer announcing an additional $1.2 billion in cost reductions. The cuts respond to declining COVID-19 revenues and investor caution regarding the company's long-term strategy in obesity treatment. Meanwhile, Amgen's obesity pipeline is gaining traction. The company's lead candidate, MariTide, has shown strong efficacy in Phase 2 clinical trials and is progressing toward potential market entry. A second molecule, AMG 513, is also in development. Industry analysts project Amgen's obesity franchise could eventually generate up to $10 billion in annual revenue, signaling robust market confidence in its approach. Eli Lilly continues to see exceptional returns from its obesity drug portfolio. In the first quarter of 2025, profits surged 23%, reaching $2.76 billion, while total revenue rose 45%. These gains were primarily driven by the soaring sales of Zepbound and Mounjaro. However, concerns over trade tariffs and expenses tied to recent acquisitions present ongoing challenges for Lilly's full-year outlook. Continuing its aggressive push in obesity care, Novo Nordisk has partnered with telehealth providers to make Wegovy available through its Novo Care platform for $499 per month. This initiative comes after recent rulings curtailed the use of compounded versions of semaglutide. With growing competition from Eli Lilly's Zepbound, this strategy aims to maintain Novo's market lead by improving access and affordability for patients across the United States. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com